To turn on the oven, press the power button. As a general note, thermostatic models do not have a power button. They will turn on once the time and temperature are selected. Select the temperature button. The LED will light up and the temperature of the chamber will be displayed when the oven cycling is on and heating. Use the up and down arrows to adjust your temperature. When your desired temperature is set, press the temperature button to confirm. Then press the timer button and choose the time for your recipe. For manual continuous use without interruption for digital models, use the down arrows to go below the minimum timer value and select the -- symbol. For thermostatic models, set timer to the stop hand signal. Once the time is adjusted, press the timer button again to confirm. Press the start button. All digital models feature an automatic preheat setting. The oven will preheat 20% higher than the set temperature to compensate for heat loss that occurs when opening the door. All models feature a micro safety switch which shuts off the oven when the door is open. At any point during the cooking process, temperature or time can be adjusted, and steam can be added to the chamber. By understanding the features of your oven, you can take your menu to the next level.